Hello, welcome to the video for crochet beginners with no previous experience. In order to understand which size crochet hook to use for a particular project, you should get strong knowledge about what does crochet hook size for yarn mean and how different crochet hooks by size are. Let's start, but first subscribe to my channel. Size is the main characteristic of hook. It is right to choose a hook size only after you have chosen a suitable yarn for your project. If you are a crochet beginner, I recommend you to watch my useful video about the best yarn for first crochet project. The necessary link is at the top of your screen right now and in the description box under this video. Crochet hooks are manufactured in the various sizes. Have you ever wondered what do crochet hook sizes mean? I can answer this question in following way. The hook creates a space between the yarn strands during crochet process. The size of this space determines the size of crochet stitches and depends on the diameter of the hook shank. A hook with a larger size of shank creates slightly more space. The crochet fabric in this case is more loosely. Such fabric is suitable for clothes, hats, scarves, blankets, pillowcases. A hook with a smaller size of shank creates less space. The crochet fabric in this case is more tightly. Such fabric is suitable for amigurumi toys and baskets. The size of the hook shank is measured in millimeters according to the international metric system known as the International Standard Range. This system includes hook sizes from 0.6 mm to 20 mm. But on practice I have found even 0.5 hook size. It is important to understand that some hook sizes in metric system could be written differently in different tutorials and patterns. These hook sizes have 3 spelling options. These hook sizes have 2 spelling options. These hook sizes have only 1 spelling option. The hooks from 0.6 mm to 1.75 mm look like needles and have a metal point protectors in place to prevent accidents. They are used for delicate lace thread. The hooks in 18 or 20 mm are relatively huge and are used for jumbo crochet. I have such hook collection at this moment. My smallest hook size is 1 mm, my largest hook size is 8 mm. The millimeter size is written on the hook handle or shank. A size designation of crochet hook could be written also according to another measurement system. Look at this conversion chart. It gives the conversions between the various hook size systems. There are systems that use only numeric. There are systems that use only letters. Some systems are alphanumeric. Notice that these conversions are not exact. Equivalent hook sizes are approximate. But this chart is useful if you have old hooks in your collection or want to follow crochet patterns that use not only millimeter size but also an alphanumeric or letter size. Also pay attention to following. Steel and regular hooks are sized differently. The higher the number of steel hook, the smaller it. The higher the number of regular hook, the larger it. You can download this chart. I have left a necessary link in the description box under this video. As I said before, hook's body is the first place where its size is mentioned. The second place where the hook size can be indicated is yarn label or ball band. The yarn manufacturer writes a suitable hook size for his particular produced yarn here. But you have to be attentive, because this recommended hook size gives rather loose crochet fiber with slight space between the yarn strands. It's a good variant for clothes, scarves, hats, blankets, pillowcases, but not for amigurumi's body that needs their hook 1 or 2 sizes smaller than the size recommended on the yarn label. The third place where we can find information about hook sizes are standard yarn weight system. Its chart shows the recommended hook size ranges for each yarn category. One more place for hook size indication is pattern. Every pattern creator gives a hook size that he or she has used for chosen yarn to crochet an item. The hook size recommended by any pattern or yarn label is only a suggestion. Your hook size choice for a particular project should be based on the weight of your yarn and your individual crochet gauge. If you don't know what is crochet gauge, watch my video about it. The necessary link is at the top of your screen right now and in the description box under this video. For all crochet beginners, I offer to buy a set of hook sizes for first crochet steps. It is a good idea to choose the range of sizes from 2 mm to 6 mm. It is the middle range of hook sizes that are the most popular on practice. One more important tip about hook sizes. It is wrong to change hook size during crocheting one project if the pattern of this project requires only one specified hook size. If pattern gives different hook sizes for different details of the crochet item, you should change hook size during crocheting this item according to the instruction. Subscribe to my channel and have a nice time!